All right, well, Jeff, I think one of us got the memo. Sleeves, no sleeves. And I heard you say tomorrow morning, crazy wind chill, right?
Please
Low
tell me
temps.
you're not going outside with that.
No,
later.
come on. I don't want to get sick. We know how that goes this time of year, right?
Well, you're talking to someone who just got over something. So,
I know,
there is a lot of
I know.
stuff going around. Make sure you are washing your hands and doing all the things you would do in winter. And obviously that means bringing out the heavy winter coat, the scarf, the gloves, everything. Sleeves. Sleeves is nice. On a night like tonight, we're going to go back, take a look at yesterday's storm because yes, we were slightly off in our projections, but hey, listen, we'll be the first to admit it here when things are slightly off. We work in the business of uncertainty. We deal with it on a daily basis. So let's take a look at what happened. So here we are at 11 o'clock last night. The entire state of Rhode Island and everybody else is in rain, and a nice soaking rain as well. And again, our groundwater supplies, our creeks and streams certainly taking advantage of the precipitation, whatever form it may come in. Now, as we advance here past midnight, let's take a look at the rain snow line. Pretty much where we thought it was going to stay for most of the night. A brief jump down to 295, but it actually got a little bit further than that for a few hours. And because this precipitation was on the heavy side, you can see those radar returns, the yellows, the oranges, that translated to deep blues and some heavier snow. And that was able to actually overcome the warmer ground surface temperatures for a brief period of time and get that snow to begin sticking a little bit better, especially again on the side roads and those grassier, colder surfaces out there. Not a ton of sticking, especially on our main roadways, which was good, but still did cause some commute problems this morning. So this was our forecast, and yeah, we did have that coating to a slush. We pulled that down to the 295 corridor, but it did wind up getting a little further than that. And even this 1 to 4 inch contour started eating into parts of western Rhode Island. You can see all the snow reports that we got, even as far to the east as the Weather Service over in Norton, picking up that ½ inch of slushy accumulation. We got 1 inch in Cumberland, 1.5 inches in North Providence, North Smithfield 1.2, and then you can see again the elevation-driven element of this 500, 600 feet. That really changed things over quickly, and that's why you saw these big outliers. Harrisville, 4.5 inches here, and 5.3 inches in Foster. Notice Burrillville, little bit of a lower elevation for this report. It was only 1.3 sandwiched in between these bigger amounts there. And even getting down into Kent and Washington counties, you saw 3 inches in West Greenwich and 2.5 inches as far south as Richmond. So it was a little bit of our tease to hello, this is the winter season. This is what we're going to be dealing with, for the foreseeable future. As long as we've got this cold air in place for the most part, even a clipper system like last night is going to bring us some wintry weather. Temperatures are in the 30s and 40s out there right now. It's a chilly afternoon, a little bit on the breezy side as well, but nothing compared to the cold weather that we have back to the west. Look at some of these temperatures. 28 in Buffalo, 24 in Pittsburgh, Columbus, Ohio at 25, 27 all the way down to Louisville, Kentucky. How about this Nashville? You wouldn't expect it down in Tennessee. They're dealing with temperatures around freezing right now, even colder than what we have here at home. So that's the forecast for the next 24 plus hours. Cold and slightly windy weather as well. The winds will start lightening up later tomorrow as we head into your weekend. But take a look at these bitter wind chills overnight. I don't like the looks of this. I don't think you do either at home. By tomorrow morning, wind chill of around 16 here in Providence. Temperatures below freezing. So we've got this upper air pattern where we've got this little chunk of polar air breaking off and heading down into the northeast. And it settles in tomorrow, Friday, and into Saturday. But as you can see there, some milder weather out west. That'll be building in, and it does come along with some more much-needed rain chances Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Now, you see a little bit of a lull there on Tuesday. I think Monday and Wednesday are going to be the best chances for rain. Tuesday looks like a mostly cloudy day. But notice on Sunday, we have a little bit of an elevated chance there as well. That could be some snow showers on Sunday morning. There is going to be a clipper system, not nearly as strong as the one that came through yesterday, but pushing off to the north, that could bring us a few snow showers on Sunday morning. So we'll watch for a little winter wonderland there. No accumulation expected out of that, and then the temperatures turn balmier, and we'll get that rain in here on Monday and Wednesday.